Wednesday, February the 28th, 2024. Water is everywhere. I bet the river's going to be flooded down here. This is leap year, so we have one extra day in February this year. It's about 11:15. Low 70s. See how high the river is. Campground must be closed. Not anybody out there anyway. We may not be able to get around the curve here. Everything may be closed. Shoot, the little building's gone. The little store building is gone. No, it's not. There it is. But look at the river. It's all the way up here. We'll park and walk around a little bit. We will put this video, the Sansavilla video, and the Williamsburg Landing video all on one video. Yeah, the old turnstile railroad bridge, it is opened. And the dock is actually up higher than the little building today. River is up. Way up. We'll walk over to that bridge over there. I'm making sure I'm making a lot of racket. Campground evidently is closed. Those jets are more than likely from the Naval Air Station over in Beaufort, South Carolina. The Marine Corps has a bombing range up at Townsend, and they run up there along the Sansavilla, up the river up there. Yeah, they've got this playground and picnic area. I think these little cottages and trailers are pretty much occupied year-round. I don't know if any of them are for rent. I think they may be permanent residents in these, but I haven't checked with them to find out. Let's check this out. Altamaha River is formed by the Oconee, the Ocmulgee coming out of Macon, Oconee coming out of Oconee County, or Jefferson or Jackson County, I guess, and probably a couple other rivers that I'm not aware of. Multiple creeks. I can't see those planes. I don't know where they're at up there. This seems like a very nice little quiet community. I don't know that I've seen any kids. I don't know if I've hardly seen anyone. I've been here multiple times. Okay, well, we're going to turn this one off. We'll get it started back up when we get up around Sansavilla Sand Bluffs. This should let the GoPro Black 10 cool sufficiently to get us up to Sansavilla. So, our little plan may work well. Wish we could see those jets, but they're up there somewhere. Okay, headed down to our Sansavilla Wildlife Management Area. As much rain as we've had, as high as the water is, these roads could get too swampy for us to get there on. We'll have to see. I don't need to get stuck again. Still haven't purchased a winch. We'll see how it goes as we go a little further. May not be able to make it to the Sand Bluffs or Williamsburg Landing. We'll see. Yeah, as deep as this sand is, it will turn you, sort of like hydroplaning. Stuck. I don't think we got any cell coverage either. Now this is the road we'll come out and turn. We'll come out and turn right. It'll be left here to go down to Williamsburg Landing if we go there. The sand's going to get deeper through this last section, get down to Sansavilla Sand Bluffs. Burn. These sand bluffs drop off about 30 feet down to the river. Seen gopher tortoise walking along here. There's a little parking area right here. People have used that to dump. Hopefully they've got that cleaned up to keep people from dumping right there. We're not going to go out there to the right, but you can go out to the right and go to the end over there, and you can take another road out. They cut a path right there. We may check that path out. But we don't get too close to the sand bluff here. The locals, and it's easy to figure it out too. Look at all that water out there. These sand bluffs will cave in, and you'll end up down there in the river. We may be 30 feet, 30 or 40 feet up right here. But let's cut it off. We'll walk down there and get some video down there, then maybe walk this trail back here. Well traveled path running down through here, isn't it? Also, you can tell there's been a lot of water drainage runoff. And see how it'll wash out. These edges are undercut. And see how it'll start to cave in. We don't need to get too close. This whole section could cave in right here. We'd end up down there in the river. I can swim pretty good, but the water be cold, there are gators. We won't go any closer. Yeah, you can hear those jets from Townsend Bobbing Range over there. Yeah, but look at all of that water way out over there. I said Oconee, Okmulgee, and other streams and rivers form the Great Altamaha River. I don't know how far this goes. I don't remember it being here last time I was here. I don't know if the Department of Natural Resources cut it or whether people traveled it a lot. But I don't remember it being here at all. Any of the times I've been here. And I've been here quite a few times. I've always wanted to find a path down to the river. This may be what they call a permanent fire break, but I don't think so. It's not maintained well enough. We do need to be watching for snakes. You know, it just seems to sort of end here. Bugs are already out. Yeah, we'll see if we can get to that landing up there, Williamsburg Landing. See how high the water is up there. Usually there's a large sandbar up out there on the left, and it is completely covered up. And the bugs are already out, getting bad. I have come through here when you just drive through, and a sea of bugs would just fly up from all this broom sedge and everything out here. The love bugs, they don't really attack you, but there were literally so many of them. I didn't have a mask, but you could breathe them in. There were so many of them. And that is not an exaggeration. Okay, we're going to head out and we'll see if we can make it to Williamsburg Landing. If not, we will just proceed on to Jessup. It wouldn't any trouble at all to get down here. This road is partially paved. When we go out, we'll probably go back all the way back out to, well, I don't know. We could just go straight across when we leave out of here. It save us some time going back out. I doubt we're going to be able to get to the boat ramp here. The water is going to be so high. I don't know that we'd be able to get to the top of the boat ramp, but we'll see. I don't know if camping is allowed here or not. This is Wayne County, but I have seen campfires, or at least fires. But if it is camping allowed, it's primitive camping.
There is a pavilion, no electricity. Like I said, there aren't any power lines running down here. No water. Just a boat landing. We'll go around to the right, but I don't think we'll end up going very far because the water is going to be up out of the banks and we're not going to be able to get down to the ramp. There's a nice picnic area. You can camp underneath the picnic area if it's allowed. Public boat ramp, State of Georgia, Wildlife Resource Division. We can park up here and walk down, or either we can try to back up. Yeah, so there's the water down there. I don't think we'll try to back up. There's not a whole lot of point in going down there. Let's see what this sign says, whether it says anything about camping or not. A concrete slab there. That's probably part of the old road. I can't see what it says right there. Yeah, but there's no point in us going on down there. Like I said, the entire ramp is covered. Okay, well, I think we will go ahead and turn this one off. This will be a wrap. We may try to put it together and start uploading it. Let's see if we can see what the sign says on this sign. This one may not be as bad. I think this is part of the old road. No parking. I don't think they would do anything to you if you camped here, if you were safe, as long as they told you to leave if you left. But that's, I don't know that, so don't tell anybody I said you could. Okay, well, we're going to turn this off. This will be a wrap. I think we'll go straight out to 341, US 341, US 25, and Georgia 27, and not turn left and go back and go out. We won't miss but a mile or so of that road. Okay, we're going to turn it off. It'll be a wrap.